Okay, we are now doing 0.12 divided by 14.4. So over here, remember 0.12 goes on the outside and 14.4 goes on this side. I have decimals on both sides, so I need to move them. I'm going to move this 1, 2 to make it 12. And if I do it two sides here, I'm going to move it 1, 2. This is why we learned exponents earlier in the year, because we need to learn how to move our decimals in order to be able to do it. So let's start off here. 12 can go into 1 0 times. 12 times 0 is 0 minus 1. Bring down your 4. 12 can go into 14 one time. That's 12. Subtract. You get 2. Bring down your 4. 12 can go into 24. 2 times. That gets you 24. Gets you 0. Look guys, just because my decimal is here now, I have to bring down the 0. I still can't forget about the 0. So I gotta bring down my 0. 12 can go into 0. 0 times. Subtract. Your answer is 120. Now you could put a 0.0 here, but it doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. It just needs to be 120. Okay? Let's look at the next one. 0.5 divided by 8.75. So 0.5 divided by 8.75. Got to go over one spot. I got to go over one spot. So now my new decimal place is right here between the 7 and the 5. 5 can go into 8 times once. Subtract, you get 3. Bring down your 7. 5 can go into 37. 7 times. Get you 35. Subtract, you get 2. Bring down your 5. 5 can go into 25 5 times. Now, I just kept going because I remembered to put my decimal ahead of time before I even did it. So my answer is 17.5. That is my answer for this one, is 17.5. The next one, 0.09 divided by 1.8. 0.09 divided by 1.08. So when I put it in my paper, 0.9 divided by 1.8, I need to move my decimal 1, 2 to make it a whole number. And if I do it to one side, I got to do it to the other. 2 places. Okay? So my decimal is now right here. So 9 can go into 1 how many times? 0. That makes it 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. Bring down your 0. Sorry, 1 minus, I take that back. 1 minus 0 is 1. See? So I make mistakes too. 9 can go into 10 one time. That gets me 9. Subtract gets you 1. Bring down your 8. 9 can go in 18. 2 times. 18. There's nothing to bring down. My answer is 12. Okay, next one, 0.4 divided by 52, sorry. 0.4 divided by 5.2. Okay. Oops, straighten it for you guys. And once again, I got to move over my decimal. Move over my decimal. 4 can go into 5 one time. Oops. 4 times 1 is 4, subtract, you get 1. Bring down your 2. 4 can go into 12 3 times, subtract, you get 0, there's nothing to bring down, therefore your answer is 13. Okay, one more, and then we're done with this side of the sheet. You're taking 0.04 divided by 1.83. I need to move over my decimal 2 places. 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 can go into 18, sorry, 4 can go into 1 0 times. 4 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring down your 8. 4 can go into 18 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract, you get 2. Bring down your 3. 4 can go into 23. Yes, 5 times. That gets you 20. Get 3. I have a remainder. No, you don't. You got to keep going. Put a 0 here. Bring it down because you already put your decimal place in. 4 can go into 30 how many times? 7 times. Gets you 28. Subtract, you get 2.